on. It's 9:30 a.m. Monday morning. Wind is already picking up. Rain has started. And the hurricane isn't even supposed to be here till tonight. So yeah. One of the joys of living in North Carolina. About 2 hours from the coast. Every time there's a hurricane, it has to stop by. So yeah. Wind is definitely starting to pick up. Rain has started. And it's going to be a fun couple nights. So we'll come back later and see what's going on. Alright, it's 4:14 p.m. Monday afternoon. Still a tropical storm. Supposed to make landfall in South Carolina tonight at 9. It's supposed to be a hurricane by then, but yeah. It's not even... Yeah. It's only 4:14 p.m. and this just came out of nowhere. It's gonna be a long night. It's supposed to be here around 2 a.m. Supposed to be for the most part gone around 9 a.m. so we'll see. A long night. We got people driving in it. Don't know why, but whatever. So yeah. Alright, we just came back in the house, and I don't know if you caught it, but there's actually a woman running down the road in the storm. So I guess she was out jogging when it hit. I don't know, but we're going to go back in the room. Pretty sure we'll lose power in the middle of the night. We always lose power during these storms. Hey, Tiger! Didn't mean to wake you up, buddy. Here's Tiger. He's not doing so well, but... Alright, buddy, we'll get you some water in a minute. So yeah, haven't made the bed yet. Tiger's been sleeping on the blanket. So yeah, we'll go back out later on if we can and see what it looks like. Alright, so we're going to take a look in the garage now. I'll show you what happens every time it rains. And you can probably see already. See, I brought the trash can inside so it wouldn't blow away. But yeah, every time it rains, we get water coming in. See, the weather strip is missing from that corner, so water gets in. Yeah, this happens every single time it rains, without fail. And then once this water evaporates, it recedes, it leaves just this coat of dirt. And it's a pain in the butt to clean up. But yeah, this happens every time it rains, so yeah. And I don't know if the camera is picking up the thunder in the background. Look outside here. Can't really see too much, but yeah. It's like 10 minutes since the heavy rain. The rain has completely stopped. The wind has died down. I mean, it just came and went instantly. There's thunder, so yeah, it's going to be a long night, but we go through this nonsense every year dealing with hurricanes, so yeah. So anyway, let's head back in the house, and we'll be back later. Alright, it's Tuesday morning, about 9:20 a.m., and we made it. As you can see, we got lucky, no damage, no trees, no branches down. So yeah, we made it out luckier than most. So that's good. See, all the flooding in the yard has already dried up. Water is gone. So yeah. So we're gonna go back in the house here. And we're gonna Hey Bella, we'll put the trash can back outside. Don't need to have it in the garage anymore. Storm is over. But yeah, the eye of the hurricane passed over about 2 a.m. and I happened to be awake. And I just remember all of a sudden the rain and the wind stopped. It was nice and calm. And I ended up falling asleep. I woke up again around 4. That was when it was supposed to be really bad. There were some large wind gusts, but not too bad. Oh yeah. That'll be the next video, cleaning up the inside of that truck. We need to sweep the garage too. So yeah, let's take this out. And we'll call it a wrap on Isaias. Yeah. Alright. That's right, you gotta hold this in. Yeah, if you want to close the garage door, you can't just press the button, you gotta hold it in. Alright, so that is a wrap. Isaias has come and gone. We made it, no damage. We lucked out. So, I'll see y'all next time. Y'all take care.